Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust a car headrest. This will be an easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have the headrest of my Honda CR-V, and I'm going to show you how to adjust a car headrest like this. And essentially, even if you have a different vehicle, it's probably going to be a very similar process for adjusting it. I'm actually filming this in my driveway, and in case you're wondering, like, I'm filming this close to Halloween, so that's why, like, you're going to see this in February probably of the following year, but I'm filming this close to Halloween, which is why we have a pumpkin. I put my Halloween decorations up, most of them, so that, just so you know, that's the reason why, in case you're wondering, like, oh, it's February, why does this guy have Halloween decorations up? It's because I'm filming it close to Halloween. I do all my stuff in advance. All right, anyways, so essentially, there are two aspects to adjusting headrest: raising it up and lowering it down, okay? So there's gonna be these predispositioned little notches on your headrest. And if you wanna raise it up, all that you usually have to do is just pull it up. So in this case over here, let me just get myself closer over here. And this is a little bit rough, like in the sense that it's not easy to pull up because we never adjust the headrests. So it's kind of stiff, but I'll still be able to do it. I should be able to do it. You want to get your hand and push it upwards. And as you can see, I'm essentially lifting up the headrest when I do that. Give me a second here. There we go. And you can see the predisposition notches over here. So as I pull it up, I'm going past the notches. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me go past the next notch over here. So as you can see right here, the next notch is right over there. So if I push this down, I'm able, well, it's really, like I said, it's really stiff. So I'm just going to probably have to explain it to you. Yeah, I'm like putting all my force and I can't even, like, I'm almost there actually. Let me just try. There we go. Okay, so when I push it down, what happens is it locks into the notch that is right over there. Okay, like the notch that was just visible, that now is invisible, we cannot see. Okay, and if you want to lower it past that notch that it's locked into, you need to press this button over here and then press it down. So I need to hold this button down and then press it down, which I can't do with one hand. I'm sorry about that. So essentially, the two aspects of adjusting a car headrest are the following two aspects. You can push it up and raise it up, and most of the time to raise it up, you just pull it up. Very simple. You can literally just pull it up, and it'll go past these predispositioned notches, okay? And then you can push, if you want to lock it in place, you push it down, and it will lock in the nearest notch that you went past. So if I was to lock it down right now, it would probably lock in this notch over here, unless it's just by chance on another notch that's right below it. But it's going to lock in the next available notch that it can. And then if you want to lower it past that notch, you need to press and hold down on the button on the headrest, and then, or lever, usually it's a button like this, and then just pull the headrest down while holding that button down, which I can't do with one hand, I'm sorry, but that's essentially it. That is how to adjust a car headrest, an easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions. If you like this spooky video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.